How to transfer money to Scalable Capital. Scalable Capital is a European digital investment platform offering ETF portfolios, stock trading, savings plans, and wealth management services. Here's how to transfer money to Scalable Capital. Firstly, log into your Scalable Capital account via app or web. Then go to the Payments section from the dashboard, tap Deposit or Top Up. Select your preferred deposit method like SEPA transfer or instant transfer. If using SEPA, note your Scalable IBAN and account name shown on screen. Open your banking app or website from your linked bank account. Then start a new SEPA bank transfer. Paste the Scalable IBAN as the recipient account. Enter your full name as the beneficiary. Type in the amount you wish to transfer. Leave the reference or description field empty, unless Scalable shows a specific note. Confirm and submit the transfer. Thanks for watching.